In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check storage space on Microsoft Outlook. Keeping track of your mailbox storage is essential to ensure you continue receiving emails without interruptions. When your storage is full, new messages may not be delivered, so it's important to regularly monitor how much space you're using. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer and go to outlook.office.com. Once the website loads, sign in to your Outlook account using your login credentials. After successfully signing in, you will be directed to your inbox. Now, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This will open a quick settings panel. From there, scroll down until you see the option that says View All Outlook Settings. Then click on it to access the full settings menu. Once the settings window appears, look for the General section and select it. Under this section, click on Storage. This will open a detailed view of your mailbox storage usage. Here, you will see a clear breakdown of how your storage is being used across different folders such as your inbox, sent items, and deleted items. You will also be able to view the total amount of storage you have used, along with the remaining space available in your account. This information is especially helpful if you are trying to manage your emails more efficiently, or if you have noticed that you are no longer receiving new messages. A full mailbox can prevent incoming emails, so keeping an eye on your storage can help you avoid this issue. If you find that your storage is almost full, consider deleting emails you no longer need. You can also empty your deleted items folder to free up additional space. Reviewing messages with large attachments is another effective way to quickly recover storage. By regularly checking your storage, you can keep your Outlook account running smoothly and avoid any unexpected issues with your email. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you in the next tutorial. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.